To recharge your gear, start by removing the power module from the window. Hold the power module from each end and pull outwards to detach the Velcro. The battery cap can be found on the end that is opposite to where the cable is located and on the face with the solar panel. Press in on the battery cap and pull outwards. Next, remove the old AA batteries. Take your fresh, new AA batteries and align the positive and negative ends with the markings on the battery cap, or follow the illustration markings on the power module. Once the batteries are replaced, you can put the battery cap back on. Next, uninstall your gear from the mounting bracket and remove gear's cover. Make sure the power module is connected to your gear and let it charge for at least 6 hours before putting the cover back on and reinstalling your gear.